Welcome to our Beijing Walking Tour. Today we begin a three-part journey through the heart of China. We start at the very center of the city, a place where ancient history meets modern times. The air is crisp as we approach one of the most famous landmarks in the world. As we step onto the vast expanse of Tiananmen Square, the sheer scale is breathtaking. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Covering over 100 acres, this is the world's largest city center square. Let's walk towards the center, where the monument to the people's heroes stands tall. This 38-meter granite obelisk is a tribute to Chinese revolutionary history. Notice the intricate white marble bas-reliefs carved around its base. Flanking the square, you can see the imposing Great Hall of the People to our west. And to our east lies the National Museum of China, housing countless treasures. Looking south, the Chairman Mao Memorial Hall anchors the massive open space. At the northern end, the daily flag-raising ceremony symbolizes national unity. Now let's turn our attention north and continue our walk towards the Imperial past. Approaching the iconic Tiananmen Gate, or the Gate of Heavenly Peace, its vibrant red walls and golden glazed roof tiles are a striking sight against the sky. We cross the elegant white marble bridges spanning the moat to reach the entrance. Passing through the central archway, a path once reserved exclusively for the emperor, the sounds of the modern city begin to fade as we enter the courtyards. Before us stands the massive Meridian Gate, the formal entrance to the Forbidden City. With its 5 pavilions, it is often called the 5 Phoenix Towers. From high upon this rostrum, emperors would review their troops and announce the calendar. Passing through these giant doors means entering a world completely isolated for centuries. We are now standing at the threshold of the mysterious Middle Kingdom. In part 2, we will explore the outer court. Thank you for joining this first leg. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.